Namaste everyone, welcome to a new episode of Restore Your Natural Vitality. Create a closed energetic circuit by standing with your heels together and your palms pressed above your head in Anjali Mudra. Keep your mind anchored in your lower belly throughout the entire practice. Inhale deeply and fully extend your arms up. Exhale and lower into a deep squat, pressing your forearms and elbows together while squeezing your abdomen. On the next inhale, press your feet into the ground and your heels together to return to standing. Perform 6 to 12 reps, then relax for a few moments in complete stillness and silence, observing the effect of the practice on your mind, body, and energy.